G'day and welcome to the RetroTinker. I recently bought a job lot of goodies on eBay, and since it's been a fair while since I've done an unboxing, I thought it'd be fun to share with all of you. There's some cool stuff inside, some things that need to be fixed, some stuff that I'm not even sure what it is yet. So yeah, should be fun. Anyway, let's rip into it and see what we got. Alright, plenty of padding here, that's always good to see. Okay, this is awesome. You got a few Toy Biz figures here, the Wolverine and the Penguin. A couple of Batman, that'd be the animated series one. That one looks an awful lot like Val Kilmer. Awesome. I don't have many Batmen, and I don't have much Toy Biz, so these are welcome additions to the collection. We've got these Power Rangers minifigures, so there's a fair few in here. These were something that definitely caught my eye on the listing. I do like these little minifigs. They look really cool when you scatter them around your Megazords on the shelf, so yeah, I'm happy to add them to the collection. This is something I have no idea what it is. It kind of reminds me of the monsters in my pocket thing. That might be what it is. It's got a weird backwards head on it. Yeah, don't know what it is, but it's pretty damn cool. This is another one that seems to be made of the similar rubbery substance. Yeah, again, not too sure what it is, but yeah, I like it. And another one. It's a worm horse with bat wings. Okay, yeah, that's kind of cool. This is something that I was interested in as well. I'm not too sure what it belongs to. It kind of reminds me of Slimer from the Ghostbusters, but he's obviously got legs and he's more of a, I guess, a dragon-y type thing. I don't know, he's cool though. The Count. No party is complete without a visit from the Count. Everyone knows that. That's awesome. That'll go with my other Sesame Street things. It's another one of these the Fisher-Price Night things that I did a little video about not too long ago. So another one of those for the Horde. That's good. And again, not too sure on this one as well. If I had to guess, he kind of reminds me of that Treasure Planet movie that came out like way back in the day. I'm not too sure, but he's pretty cool. And some kind of motorcycle riding figure in my collection. I have so many of these random motorbike riding things that I have no idea what actual vehicles or toy lines they belong to. So he's just gonna go on the pile with them, I think. As everyone knows, Papa Smurf. What is that, a Care Bear or something? It's something I recognize from a cartoon, but I can't quite place what that was at the moment. And yeah, no idea what this is. A dog. Is that Chip or Dale? One of the two? I used to love watching that show. Appears to be a cybernetic werewolf with leg extensions. That's kind of awesome. Well, that's the first layer done, so yeah, let's move on to the next one. Look at all that goodness right there. So we got a couple of Dick Tracy figures here. These are my first Dick Tracy figures. He's actually got his little holster there, which I didn't realize. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, happy to bring these into the collection. So this figure, I have no idea what it is, right? But I am so excited to find out what it is because it's been driving me crazy. Hold on a sec. So this here is a toy that I've been waiting to fix for a fair while. But as you can see, that head, the head on this thing is very familiar, and it's the wrong head on this thing. It's supposed to have like a big round head made out of tin. So I've been trying to figure out what that head belongs to for so long. And it turns out it's this. Whatever this is, that's what that is. Mind's blown. Ah, happy days. Next we've got another trio of figures that I am not sure what they are. They have, oh, they've got a battery compartment, and I assume that these buttons do something. They're pretty cool. I'll be interested to find out what they are, and then find out what the buttons do. Yeah, they're interesting. And here we've got some RoboCop figures. I'm fairly certain that this one here's a RoboCop figure. Obviously these two need a little bit of a repair. I do have another RoboCop somewhere in my collection, so I might be able to make a mold of the hand or something and fix this guy. It looks like he probably makes sound and his eyes light up. There's a battery compartment on the back. So yeah, very keen to have a crack at getting him going. Here we've got Captain Hook and another pirate. I think I have a Peter Pan around here somewhere else and a different version of Captain Hook. This one's cool. He's looks like the, oh, his blade comes out of his arm. That's awesome. Yeah, that's a really cool figure. Yeah, happy with that. And here we have a New Adventures He-Man. Certainly not my favorite version of He-Man, but he's still pretty cool and he's in decent condition. His action function still works, so yeah, that's cool. Now, I think this is a Terminator figure. I'm not sure. He's got stuff missing from him, so yeah, I'll be on the lookout to track this stuff down. Yeah, he'll be interesting to look into. And here we have my very first Visionaries figure. Obviously he's missing his hologram, but still, that's really cool. I've never actually had one of these in hand, so it's going to be some fun to play around with. Awesome. And last, but probably not least, is a thing. I'm not sure what it is, but it's kind of kooky and I love it. It's like a weird little squid in a mech suit. Oh, it comes apart. I didn't know that. Oh, it's so cool. What are you? Look at this thing. That's awesome. I have no idea what it is, but I love it. So yeah, that's everything. Alright, so I've done some looking around online, and apparently this guy is a Robo Fighter Alien Visitors Centurion. So that's a mouthful. Can't find much information about it, other than it seems to be just another one of those weird little knockoff lines. But yeah, I think it's actually pretty cool and not too shabbily made. Yeah, I'll definitely be digging into these a little bit more. And this awesome little chap here belongs to a toy line called Snailians, Supersonic Shell Fighters. I think this character's name is Drool Drippy. He's awesome. I love it. Again, I'll be looking into these in the future. I think he's really cool. These three gentlemen belong to a toy line called Voice Squad from a company called Toy Island. I don't know much about them other than that. I'm assuming they're just another generic knockoff toy line. I looked at their battery compartments and they're a little corroded, so I'm just going to go clean those up and we'll throw some batteries in and we'll see what noises the Voice Squad makes. Alright, we'll start with this guy. That's pretty cool. They don't have the generic noises like most of these kind of toys do, so that's interesting. That's interesting. His sound quality is quite a bit different to the first one. He uses three batteries, where the other guy has only used 2. His electronics must be of a slightly different caliber. Last but not least, that's a very that's a very odd choice of voice for this figure. Yes, sir. And he's just got the other battle noises, but they are different to the other figures as well. That's interesting, but I can only imagine how hard it would be to resist the urge to giggle when you're charging into battle and this guy's like, yes sir. Good stuff. And here we have everything all together. This was an awesome lot and really quite cheap too, so I'm really stoked. Everything here is pretty damn cool, and I'm sure it's going to fuel some new sessions. Thanks for joining me in this unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed yourself. I know I certainly have. Hopefully something amongst it all has piqued your interest. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, give the old algorithm a tickle. I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one.